Good afternoon, everyone. So I was asked to do a tutorial in regards to how I got my shadows behind my text in regards to the writing I use for making keychains and charms and everything. So I decided to show you the app that I use on my tablet, and then I will upload another video of me using the same design I've created in this app in Design Space. So let's start. The app I use is called Phonto, and it's Phonto. It's a free app that you can get in the Apple Store or in Google Plus or Google Play Store. It's a free app. Let's see here. So once you click the app, it's going to open onto this screen, which is just a grid. You'll go up to the little icon on the top right hand corner, which is basically start your new project or create a new project. And you'll see this menu pop up. I click plain images, and it'll bring you to the templates that are currently in the app. I always click the white one. You'll see it there, and then I press use. Now on top of the grid, you will see the white square that I chose. I will click on that. Go to the top right hand corner, click the pencil or the pen. You'll get this new menu. And let's just type in hashtag blessed. The font here that you see is not a font that comes with the app. It's a font that I have uploaded. So type in whatever word you want, click the word font, and it'll bring you to this screen. As you can see, it's on my fonts, but when you first upload this app, it'll bring you to this one. Now, Phonto has a bunch of its own different types of font itself, but like I said, I go to my font and I've uploaded these. I get my fonts from the font, which is dafont.com. Once again, dafont.com. And the one that I like to use is honeybe, because it's a cursive. I like to use cursive fonts whenever I'm creating my keychains, earrings, etc., because the letters are linked together. I'm not going to have to cut them out individually and then stick them on individually, because there's multiple layers that have to be done, and that's tedious work. So I've chosen my font. Like I said, click my, and then I press done. So now you will see your project. You want to size it up. Actually, I'll make it bigger so you guys can see it better. Size it up, and then you can move it. Then you will click style. Now you can change the color of your font. Doesn't make a difference. There's a bunch of them. And for me, it really doesn't make a difference because I don't use the coloring of the font that I've uploaded because I'm using cardstock. So when the Cricut cuts it out, it doesn't make a difference what color the font is because the paper color will change. So for the sake of the video, I'll use black. Now, this is all in regards to the coloring of the actual text. If you go down to the bottom menu, you have color, stroke, shadow, background, spacing, and curving. Most people will say, why don't you use shadow? You can, but it's not something that I want to use. So let's say, for example, that's what's going to happen when you use shadow. It's actually just going to create a shadow. It's not going to create the outline that you're looking for in regards to offsetting or having shadows behind the letters themselves. So we will go back to not have that, go back to style, and you will use stroke. Now stroke, to change the color so that it's not black on black, let's use this red. You will see the color is now behind. It's now behind the lettering. So let's do that again. Go back. I will click style, and then you go down to stroke. Not shadow. Nope, stroke. And when it's in stroke, click a color, and that's what happens. Now I like mine to be about 7, give or take. And there you go. So then you will go back to the top, and you will click the word save. And there you have it. And then click the little download button. And I like to save it as a PNG. Save. There you have it. So once again, that's the Phonto app, Phonto. You can get it in the Apple Store or Google Play. And my next video will be how to actually use this to create a keychain in Design Space. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Please feel free to share with your other crafting friends. And I look forward to creating more tutorials for you. Thank you very much.